Hi, fifth graders. Welcome back. I am Mrs. Casilio, your virtual teacher at School Away from School. This is week 6, lesson 27 with the amazing grade 5. Let's do this. All right, before we dive into our work, let's remind ourselves of our guiding questions. How do natural disasters affect the people and places that experience them? And how can we prepare for a natural disaster? All right, the materials you will need today. You will need our super awesome text, Everyday Mysteries, Can It Rain Frogs, Fish, and Other Objects? Lesson 27 and your lesson 27 note catcher. Both of those are pictured here on this slide. And of course, a sharpened pencil. So you know the drill. If you need these materials, please press pause, gather everything you need, and come on back when you're ready. All right, so we have our materials. Let's take a look at our learning target. I can quote accurately from the text when explaining what the text says explicitly and when drawing inferences from the text. All right, so this is another learning target we're familiar with. Let's just take it apart and look at it together. I can quote, that just means pulling information directly from the text accurately, meaning I'm not adding words, taking out words, it's accurate. When explaining what the text explicitly, so says specifically about something, and how I'm drawing inferences. So how I'm coming to conclusions and drawing inferences based on the information in the text. All right, so we have read this article together. You did one close read yesterday on your own, and I want you to read this closely today. So grab somebody, read this article, Everyday Mysteries, Can It Rain Frogs, Fish, and Other Objects? When you have finished reading, come on back. Okay. So thinking about this, what are the essential questions that we should be able to answer after the close reading of a text? So just stop and think about this. Press pause and do some thinking. All right, so now let's have a discussion. I want you to, with a neighbor, family member, sibling, friend, talk about what is this article about? Where does the action of this article take place? When does it occur? Who is involved? And why are we investigating this topic? Okay, leave the screen up, press pause, and do your discussion. All right, so you've had a chance to read, think, talk. Now let's do some writing. So after closely reading the entire article, respond to the questions on the lesson 27 note catcher. Include a direct quote for each. So it says, we have 3 columns. The first one says what? What has been reported back to ancient times? You will answer that question using a direct quote from the text. Where do tornadic waterspouts travel? When is a waterspout considered a mature storm? Who reported fish falling from the sky? Why don't all scientists agree about reports of raining animals? And lastly, what is an updraft? Press pause, use your text, quote accurately from each question, do your very best writing, and then come on back when you're done. Okay, in closing, please share your beautiful work. Share your writing with someone and tell why you chose to write what you did. After you complete your assignment, remember to read a book for 20 minutes or longer. And then our fluency practice. Practice reading the text with fluency and expression at least 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Good job. All right. Awesome work today, 5th graders. I look forward to our continued work. Have an amazing day. Enjoy your reading, and we will talk soon. Bye.